Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best car wash brushes you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many car wash brushes and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each car wash brushes so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a car wash brush. First, focus on the bristle material because soft, non-abrasive bristles help clean effectively without scratching the paint. Second, check the handle design and length, as an adjustable or extendable handle makes it easier to reach all parts of the car. Third, consider whether the brush supports water flow through the handle for continuous rinsing, which saves time and effort. You should also look at the brush size and shape to ensure it fits your cleaning needs, whether for large surfaces or tight spaces. Lastly, pick a brush that is easy to clean and store after use, ensuring durability and hygiene. Choosing wisely will make your car washing faster, safer, and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful car care tips.